Hey, welcome back. Ali here, and in this video, we're going to talk about saying no. If you want to grow your freelance business or maybe your agency, you have to learn how to say no. All right, now let's jump right into this, and I want to share this resource that I found recently, and it's very, very helpful for me. And basically, it's different templates that you can use to say no in different situations. And I know as you are growing your freelance business or your social media or marketing agency, you're probably going to get a lot of requests. So people want to do business with you, people want to do meetings with you, people want to do phone calls with you, but you have to pick the right people and then say no to the other ones. And I know if you're someone like me, it's not easy to say no, right? Because we are like the yes person. But to grow your freelance business or your agency, it's critical that you learn how to say no. And this resource will definitely help you out because there's some templates and some examples that you can use. And first of all, here's the URL. It's the starterstory.com and then how to say no. Here's the URL. You can pause, write that down. I'll also share the link. Or another way you can find it is in Google. Just search for starter story, how to say no, and it will be the first link that you find. Now, let's look at some of these examples. And one of the things even though these are templates, but what I would say is look at these templates because you don't want to just copy paste the same thing, but it'll give you some ideas and then you can kind of put your own spin. This will help you start saying no easily. That's how I use these templates. So for example, how to say no to meetings. So here's the this is really like direct. I don't do transactional meetings. I don't do meetings without strict agenda. So totally up to you. But you see how you could do that, right? Here's some other examples. Michael Hyatt, he's really well-known business coach, and how he's directing people to, instead of meeting, he's directing people to his resources, blog, coaching, live events, things like that. And you can also add these templates directly to your Gmail. Let's go back up here and let's say how to say no to customers. This is critical, right? So for example, you may have people who are asking for discounts, right? So how do you say no to a customer asking for a discount, right? This happens a lot. Everyone wants, hey, give me a discount. And here's an example from Freshdesk. It's a really good example. I like, again, don't just copy and paste the whole thing. You can pick and choose. Use these as inspiration. For example, I really like how, look at here, we believe our service offers more value for your money and it will be unfair to other customers, right? So if we give them, that's such a polite way of saying no to discount, right? And here are a bunch of other examples. And here, all these are different scenarios. If people want to do phone calls or phone chat, here's how you can say no to them. There you go. My schedule has been crazy. Email is usually more convenient. Would you mind if we keep the discussion here? So you can stop, or you can say no to a phone call, but keep the conversation going in your email. So these are really good. How do you say no to salespeople? So here are a couple of examples here. How do you say no to pushy people? Oh, that's just Steve Jobs, his classic. How do you say no to investors, right? Totally up to you. Some people do want investors in their business, agencies. Some people don't. How do you say no to social events? So there are multiple. How do you say no to coffee? That was one thing that happened to me a lot when I started building my agency business. So a lot of people wanted to meet for coffee. Hey, can we do coffee? Can we do coffee? And actually what they really wanted to do was to pick my brain and learn how they could use social media to grow their startup or business, right? So, but going through some of these templates will definitely help you say no, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.